On a side note, septic tank, just kind of, I forgot what these called, the aerators things just kind of blew up. I replaced them. It's pretty straightforward. There's videos on it, but it's a kit. Got it from Amazon, like 70 bucks maybe. Bought the sellers, but it's straightforward. You just don't get this guy, so you just replace these two, and then this guy here goes in here, and then that's it. They make contact. It's a magnet that goes back and forth, and then hopefully it works. All right, the alarm was on. It sounds good. I just unbolted it. Let's see if it's working. Yeah, it's bubbling. All right. God, it's working. Whew. All right. Where's the water at? All right. So it's been a couple days. Amazon was pretty good. It was maybe 2 days. There was a more expensive option for the next day, but all right. It's bubbling. Hopefully it works. Thank God. The warranty's over. Sorry, grass. I haven't had a chance to cut the grass. But yes, it's working. Alarm's not on anymore. That's bubble. You can hear it going. All right. High flow. There you go. It works. Hiblow.